How to fix CapCut template problem. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there might be various reasons behind this particular problem. One of the reason could be that CapCut might not be working in your region. For that, just simply get a VPN, and after connecting to a VPN, you would be able to utilize some of the templates that were not working before. The other reason could be that CapCut has released a new version of CapCut. In that case, you just have to update your CapCut in your mobile device or on your PC, in case if you have it on your PC as well, and your problem will get solved after that. In case the problem is still there, simply click on this option of upgrade in order to upgrade your CapCut account, and after that your problem will get solved. And these were some ways to solve this particular problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.